And now we're going to talk about some tips on how to make your email style sound more effective. Writing a clear, formal, professional email in a very effective way. The first advice that you have to follow is being precise. You have to be precise. The equation is that you have to be as formal and professional, straightforward, and precise as you can while communicating in a written online document to the recipient. You should state what you want to say in very clear, simple words. The second thing is optimizing your subject line. As I've said before, your subject line is one of the most important elements that could succeed your email. A successful subject line leads to a successful email process. The email process starts when writing your email and ends in the hand of your recipient, opening your email and reading what you want to say. Let's think it with ourselves. Your mailbox is full of unread emails. You receive each and every day a lot of emails from everywhere. What will make you open this particular email and not another one is the subject line. So your subject line, or the subject line you choose for your email, should be powerful, precise, straightforward, and telling what the email contains or what the email is talking about. It has to be eye-catchy to the recipient to make him open this particular email and reply to it. Be formal, be professional, be polite. No use of jokes, no use of sarcasm whatsoever in the email body. What is most powerful and you have to be aware of and very careful while writing your email body or email content is proofreading and editing. After writing each paragraph, please go back and edit your paragraph. Take another eye on it. Take another eye on the style. Take another eye on the font. Take another eye on the expressions you use. You must be very aware of the sound and the tone you use while writing your email. Being professional doesn't mean that you shout or you sound impolite in your email. You can write whatever you want in a polite, professional way. And this is what I will teach you in other section. And at the end, I want to highlight that the minimum components that the email should contain are: number 1, the subject line; number 2, salutation; number 3 is the body text; number 4 is your signature. Make sure that these 4 elements are there and available in your email before clicking the send button and sending it to your recipient. Thank you.